Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, family? It's homie Bigg Vic TV. We back in the building with another video. Guess what, y'all? I officially sold my house in less than 48 hours. It's sold. Had 22 offers. It was quite incredible and frustrating at the same time, but I'm officially leaving the metro. It's been fun, but I gotta run. So yeah, guys, so here's what I wanna do. I just wanna kind of readdress the saturation side of the box truck business. Like, a lot of people feel like it's saturated, like the market is saturated right now. Do I still feel like that now, a year and a couple of months later? No, I don't feel like it's saturated. I think the price of trucks is about to come down. I do think that's about to happen. I think there's still plenty of money to be made right now in the market. If I were to get started right now, if I was brand new, if I were just looking at this business right now, would I do it part-time? No, probably not. If I decided to do this business, I would probably go all out. Like if I was starting off brand new in the business, I would go all out. Say what's up to Old Yeller. But I would definitely go all in. You know what I'm saying? Just work smart in the business. Just work very smart. Big shout out to all of you guys that have been subscribing to the channel. I want to thank y'all for helping me reach 40,000 subscribers. Ooh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Apparently, I've been giving y'all some good information. A lot of you guys have been using the information. A lot of y'all have definitely been getting the ELDs. Shout out to Ashley Wright over there at Keep Trucking. She's definitely been hitting me up, letting me know that you guys are getting those ELDs. I thank y'all for that. Yeah, man, this has just been an incredible journey, man. Tapping into this whole trucking space. I see a lot of new box truck channels that are popping up. A lot of guys, I see a few guys that I did, few guys that I've done consultations with. They have box truck channels now, which is dope. I love to see y'all documenting your journeys in this box truck space. You know, starting your businesses. That's amazing to me. To even jump into this space, it takes a lot of courage, man. It takes a lot of drive. Like, it just takes a whole different type of person to even tap into this space and start building this business, man. It's just incredible to see it. I love it. Like I said before, there's still a lot of money to be made in the business right now, y'all. I mean, so don't get discouraged if you're brand new, looking at this business right now and wondering if you could still make some money in this business. Like I said, everybody doesn't have the same drive. Everybody doesn't have the same hustle mentality when it comes to business. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to really getting out here and putting the work in, putting the actual work that it takes to make the high numbers in this industry. So think about that. If you're somebody that's, you know what I'm saying, doesn't mind coming in, putting in a lot of work, and actually getting in that truck and going out here and doing the work, go get your truck. Go get your truck, get in the game, get in the business, put the work in, and watch your life change. And make sure you said, Bigg Vic said to go for it. All right? Go for it, make it happen. Make it do what it's supposed to do for you, all right? Listen, guys, at the end of the day, if you want something different, you got to do something different. The definition of insanity is doing the same things over and over and over again, expecting different results. Do something different if you want something different. That's it. No more, no less. Do something different if you want something different. I think y'all can feel me on that. I wanted something different, so I tried something different. I was doing something for 28 years and wasn't really expecting different results from that because I already know what it was before I went in. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was just my profession. It was my trade. But I wanted something different, so I took a chance and I tried something different. And it worked out pretty well for me. You know, I've been able to educate people, show them something different, show them something that actually works if you work it. And I haven't looked back since. Got the best energy over here, y'all. Best energy. You got to keep that energy. It's very important. Keep good energy. Surround yourself with good people. It's the homie Bigg Vic, man. Little quick PSA update. Next stop, Charlotte for the kid. Or close to Charlotte, in that area. I believe it's Charlotte, though. If not, we like 15 minutes outside of Charlotte, but, you know. I'm going to call it Charlotte. You know how you move right outside of Atlanta, you know, and you still say you in the A. I'm in the Queen City. I might be 15 minutes out. Give or take 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on traffic. So, yeah. It's the homie Bigg Vic TV. You already know what it is. Always hustle. Never stop growing. To the next video. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's eat, baby.
Nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion,